Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to register on the BTC-Alpha Exchange. We enter the exchanges section, we go to the BTC-Alpha and click on go to website. We enter the registration section, which we can choose two types of account, personal account or business account. We go to the personal account, which we can register in two ways. Manually by entering email, password, etc., or linking our account to Telegram, Google, or Apple. We choose the manual section, enter your email plus password, which I recommend you to use 8 characters or more, 1 digit, uppercase letters, and lowercase letters. If you have a referral code, you enter it in this section. Check this box for agreeing to the terms and conditions of the website and verify you're a human. Finally, click on continue. We will receive a code in our email. Go to your email, choose BTC Alpha, copy the code, and paste it here. Click on continue, enter your name, last name, plus the country of residence. Finally, click on finish. We go to the BTC Alpha dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck.